In 3, 2, 1, go. All four bots are on the move. It's like red trying to get one, slams it down, and down it goes. Blue has a mobile goal with a ring on it. Looks like the other two bots unable to move, so we're going to tie for autonomous. And now we're going to go with driver control. In 3, 2, 1, go. And everybody's moving. Everybody's moving. Blue very quickly with, well, rephrase that, the blue bot not moving right now. 5-star Hurricane Hackers is moving. They got a couple of blue on that over goal. Now the other blue is moving. I think they're the ones that have trouble with their tire. So blue now going to try and just block. Red with a mobile goal and a ring on it. Blue with 2 more rings on their mobile goal. They're just going to tuck those away in the corner as red tries to move them out of the way. Not really any reason for blue to move at this point. They've got both of those positive mobile goals squared away in the positive zone. Unless, of course, they want to try and add more. Red trying to work their way across. Looks like they've got one of their wheels is locked up, and so they're not able to move. At least not move efficiently. The other red bot has a couple of rings underneath their chassis, so they're struggling to move as well. And so very quickly, blue jumps out, grabs another ring, and goes right back into position. Grabs another ring, goes right back into position. 24 seconds left here in the match. And so those corners are going to be protected very quickly. Blue needs to let them go as he does. Now red and blue challenge for just a moment. And blue grabbing red rings, grabbing blue rings, just grabbing whatever they can to put on that mobile goal, doing a really good job of filling it up and moving up to the end.